Hey, it's Sean from P2R. Welcome back to the channel. On the last episode, I brought the car over to BDS Racing and we showed you how Brian was whipping together the turbo kit for us. A week later, we're back here, but it's time to pick up the car. Let's see how it looks.
Hey, this is Brian at BDS Racing. Got Sean's turbo kit wrapped up and ready to deliver.
Very nice. Ooh, the wastegates came out perfect, man.
Oh yeah, it turned out pretty good.
You burnt the tips and everything?
Yeah, did a little match on the up pipe there. Try to match them.
No, that looks great.
Oh man, that's clean.
Painted all the brackets. I mean, it's all ready to go.
Yeah.
Polished the intercooler. How you feel about it?
I'm pretty excited about it. It was kind of an open canvas at first. Then you gave me a couple things that you wanted to achieve with the turbo kit, and kind of let me have at it.
Yeah, I mean, that was my goal. I just wanted to have obviously the basics of what I wanted done, but from there, just let you.
Yeah, it's nice to have free reign on it and come up with this.
And to be honest, it's everything I pictured it could be. To be honest, I'm happy how everything came out. It looks great. Manifolds look good. Downpipe looks good. Intercooler piping looks good. I mean, really impressed.
Thank you.
That is sick.
Yeah, the downpipe looks really good. I was worried about the radiator fitment, but I noticed you was able to get the radiator over another inch to give us some room so it doesn't look so close to the downpipe anymore.
Yeah, we had to do some frame notching there, cut it out, plated it. Was able to scooch the radiator over enough to get a little bit of clearance on the downpipe, so you don't have any heat soak issues or as many heat soak issues. Then came up with a couple mounts off the bottom core support there. Pick up the radiator and a tab off the top core support. Nice and sturdy.
Yeah, no, that's perfect. You notch it, box it in like you said.
Yep.
Looks great. Yeah. Downpipe looks good. See, we were able to get the coil in and out, so that's nice.
Still able to access that, pull the valve cover, pull coils, plugs, anything you need.
To be honest, what I'm most impressed by is how clean you cut the hood. To be honest, I'm not sure what you did to get that so clean. I mean, how do you even approach?
You cut small, then slowly open it up, and keep open it up, try it, open it, try it, do more cutting, filing, all that stuff. So it took a little bit, but yeah. I'm pleased with the result.
Yeah, I mean, I remember when we were here last time, I was mentioning vinyl wrap, making jokes about it, but I don't even have to change the wrap on the car or anything. It's perfect. It's perfect. I mean, I can't wait to put the bumper on and see how the wastegates look coming out the side.
Yeah, I try to match it have the same tolerance on there, the same exit point, as flush to the bumper as possible.
Yeah, I'm looking forward to seeing how it looks, but very impressed.
Thank you.
Super happy. Can't wait.
I'm glad you're happy with it.
Yeah, just got to get a motor in here now.
Yep, for sure.
All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and get the TL put in the trailer, but I actually have the ILX in the trailer that I brought. Brian's been working at a pretty good pace, so I'm gonna bring him to ILX to do the hard lines for the brake system. He's really good with the bends on the hard lines. and I'm sure he can make it look really good. So we're gonna unload that car now. So we can bring it here in this shop and we can put the TL in the trailer. That chuck behind that wheel?
You get a handbrake on?
No, there's no brakes whatsoever.
Yeah, I got you.
I mean, it starts up, I'll reverse it out.
Okay.
Let me get over here real quick. I gotta put the battery on.
Hood cut out for that?
It does. I was gonna bring the hood. I forgot the hood, but I'll bring the hood. I'll bring the hood. Wait, the hood's already cut.
Are you even worried about it being close to equal length anymore?
No, I never really worried about it being exactly equal length, but that tight U-bend that we had, that we used for that, I think would work there almost.
Is it 2.5 or 2 3/4?
2.5.
2.5.
Yeah, this is 2 3/4 here, and then there was a 2 3/4 to 2.5 transition here from Burns. But they just did a little mini.
Right.
It's only that little bit right there that
Yeah,
transition.
just a little step.
Yeah. So, with the hard radius U, or the tight radius U, I think it would get rid of that kink that we have and should still be pretty close.
Yeah, I want to say the center line radius is pretty much what it is right now. But obviously it's smoother here, but I think overall spread.
Yeah, because when the U-bend we had wasn't a tight radius U-bend at the time.
Right.
So I think that would get rid of that kink.
Okay.
So the things that I want to do is, obviously I added the brake delete, right? So I wanted to come from here, and we need to get, I guess, here, and essentially here, right?
Right.
Don't worry about this. This is coming out.
I see this coming out.
That's coming out of the car. This is only going to the front 2 brakes. That's it.
Okay.
The rear brakes is on the staging brake on the inside. So basically from the staging brake, we'll do the hard line, run that to the back, tee it off, and then go to the 2 back wheels.
Okay.
So that's the main thing.
Let's see, we gotta see what.
We probably got to take that out, maybe and put a different fit in. I'm not sure. When it comes to the hard line stuff, I'm not sure what's the best. I mean, I guess we could do tube nuts.
Yeah, I was gonna say if you wanted all AN stuff, but you gotta transition back to, is it
M10 by 1.0? I think
for your brake fittings, for your hoses.
Yeah, they're already there. Which I have an AN piece at the top of it actually.
Oh yeah.
So we could just
all
keep
number 3.
So I could just do all 3 AN, and then we're gonna do steel line, or should it be aluminum?
No, it'll be all like nickel copper steel line.
Okay.